Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make Ankara belt bag. So I'll be using this Ankara fabric. This is lining, cardboard paper, marco, Evostic gum, tape rule and scissors. So the length of this marco is 10.5 inches and the width is 7 inches width. The cardboard paper also is 10.5 inches and the width is 7 inches width. That means they are the same length and width. So on the width side, you remove 1/4 of an inch. Place your tape like this. This is 1/4 of an inch here. This is 1/4 of an inch. You remove 1/4 of an inch and we'll cut it out. So you can use your ruler to make a straight line, then you cut it out. Then on this side also, 1/4 of an inch, mark it out. I want this inner part to be smaller than the marco we are going to use. So also roll it out with the ruler. So I cut this off from here and this from here, so it will make it smaller than this marco now. So for your marco, place, I want to make a curve from this edge here. You can cut this off. You can bend it to this other side to curve this edge also. What it looks like. Then you can now trace this out on your cardboard paper and you also cut it out. So guys, we are going to wrap this now with our Ankara fabric. I'm going to be using Evostic gum. So I applied gum and I waited for it a while to dry. So you wrap it with your Ankara fabric now. Use your hand to smoothen it. You can now flip it to this other side. You are going to fold this excess in. Before you start folding in your fabric, you can knot so that it will rest well on your marco. So guys, this is what this look like. So our pulse belt is going to look this way. So this cardboard paper, I'm going to use lining to wrap this up. I applied gum on the cardboard paper and I waited for it to dry, so you can now put your line to wrap it up. flip it to the other side and also fold in the excess. So guys, this is what the cardboard paper look like. So for the side now, I'm going to use this Ankara fabric. This Ankara fabric is 4 inches length by 4.5 inches width. So from this, it's 2 fabric that is there. From the down part, you measure 1 inch and measure 1 inch on this side. Then you can connect it back like a V shape or so. So this is what So now for the edge, I'm going to fold 1/2 inch here and also fold 1/2 inch here, and I'll face it on their side. So let me add gum. So I said you should fold 1/2 inch on the top part, like I'm doing right now. I'm going to face them together. This is the inside part, this is the outside part. So you still apply gum and join them together this way. But this is what I will use for the side. For this part, from this top part, measure 2.5 inches, that's 2.5 inches. Mark it, then 2.5 inches on this part also. When you are folding, you are going to fold to that 2.5 inches, like this. Then you apply gum on this part. So we're going to be putting this side of the purse on it. Just wait for your gum a little to dry. So I waited for my gum a while to dry. I will pull the side now. I'm just holding it in place for it to dry. So guys, this is what the side looks like. So we are going to do the same for this other side. This is the Ankara fabric I want to use. So guys, I'll fix this other side of the bag. This is what a bag looks like. So now I'm going to fix bag lock for this upper part. You can use your scissors to make opening here and make another hole here. I'm going to use this. Come to the back and put this. Bend it. You can hit it with your hammer if you want. So now for the marco, you are going to use design on this. This is the design I want to use. I'm going to put this design somewhere here. So I will still make 2 holes inside. come to the back and press it down. So for where the belt will stay at this back, I'm going to use this piece of Ankara fabric. The width of this is 2 inches and the length is 3 inches. I'm going to fold half an inch here, and also fold half an inch here with the help of my gum. You can sew it if you want, but we use gum. So I've folded the edges. Now we can add this here, this back. So I'm going to be using this pins you are seeing here. That's what I will be using. I will just pierce four holes. One will be here, then the other one here, the other one here, the other one here. So after piercing your holes, you can now pick this other string and push it through the back of the marco and let it come out from your Ankara side, and take the cover, use it to cover it and hit it with your hammer. So I've added the 4 pins. So now we can wrap this with this together. So I will add Evostic gum both on the marco and on the cardboard paper. So I added gum both on the marco and on it, and I waited for it a while to dry. I can now stick them together now. So before you gum this last part of the bag, we need to get where this other lock will stay. So you can fold the side of your bag this way and try to bring this up and bend this so that you get where you will put this other lock, and you mark that point and you open 2 holes there. Then you're going to fix this other lock here. So from this side, you put this other one and use it to press it aside. You can use your hammer to beat it. So you can gum this together with this other one. I added gum and I waited for it a while to dry. So I'm going to gum this and this together. So guys, this is what our belt purse look like. So guys, our Ankara belt bag is ready, and this is the Ankara belt I'm going to use. The video on how to make this Ankara belt is already on the channel. I'm going to put the link to this Ankara belt in the description box below, so you go and see it there, so you can know how I made this Ankara belt. So guys, this is the finish up of our Ankara belt bag. It's so beautiful. When you want to wear it, you can make this head just to be behind the bag, so one will not see it, or anyhow you want to wear it, it's fine.